Water, you need it to live, but you certainly don't want it ruining your roof floor, do you? That's why we're here right now to talk about the tags that come in your kit. You'll notice that there's two. You're thinking, why two? I only have water coming in one spot. Well, I'll tell you exactly why. Because 99 out of 100 houses, one of these two scenarios is all you need to know to shut that water off. It's real easy to do. Most of them have a quarter turn lever valve where if the valve is parallel with the pipe, water's running through it. When you turn it a quarter turn and it's perpendicular, water is not running through it, which is the reason that you're probably watching this video because you want that water off and you want it off now. In a few occasions, very rarely, your water shutoff that comes into your house, at your home, at your property, has a knob on it. Clockwise until it stops, that's how you turn it off. Counterclockwise is how you turn it back on. You can do that yourself. You don't need a professional to turn it back on after the leak is fixed. Okay, so we've talked about that. Very rarely, and this is not recommended, there's what's called a vault out by the street, and that's where your water meter is. That's where the people from the water company come to read that meter to tell how much water you've been using. And there's a shutoff valve out there. Well, it's in what we call a vault, a concrete vault. Those can be very hard to get open. Sometimes you need a crowbar to even get the lid open. It requires a special tool to turn that valve a quarter turn and a certain amount of strength to do that. That's why we highly recommend, and you'll be glad you did if you ever need to shut your water off. Call a plumber, call a contractor, whatever it takes, and have a quarter turn valve installed where the water comes into your house so you are always ready. Every few months, every 6 months or so, make sure it's good and loose, working fine. You can shut the water off to your house if you even think you might have a leak, and you can turn it back on when the time comes. You don't need a professional like with the gas. Be a home saver. You'll be glad you did.